After following the instructions for lifting your baby onto your back, remember to hold onto the shoulder straps and remain leaning forward until baby is securely tied on. While holding onto the shoulder straps, use your other hand to bring baby's leg around you at an upward angle. Then bring the lower strap around his thigh to form a pouch under his bum. Now switch hands and do the same with the other leg. You may be tempted to bring the strap under baby's leg instead. However, for the twist and tuck, this is not as comfortable, as it may cause your baby to sag down a little as you're wearing him. Going around the thigh also better distributes baby's weight across your hips. Next, separate the straps by taking the shoulder straps in one hand and the lower straps in the other. Start twisting the straps around each other, and at this point you may want to do a final boost to get baby extra snug. Complete the twist and tuck in each strap below your bust line, making 2 loops. It is important not to pull the straps all the way through or the baby carrier will not hold. You may now stand up and spread out the fabric at your shoulders if you like, and the fabric behind baby's head may be tucked down behind his neck, or for a smaller baby, lift it up to support his head.